friends, this is Trish with Fun Do's, and I am back with a different review today. Actually, this is more of a tutorial. This I am going to do a how-to on how I secure this piece that I'm wearing right now. This is my beloved piece. I wear this all the time. I usually wear this in an updo, and I just love this piece. This is my Elsie from Ebony line, and I just love it. I love these blonde pieces, these ombre biolash pieces, and I just love this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I secure this. And yeah, I mean, this thing is not moving at all. I pretty much do this every day. It takes me a couple minutes in between getting ready for putting on my makeup, things like that. So hold tight and I will show you how I start the process. Okay, so I have a hairnet on underneath this, as well as my wig grip there. And I kind of set this on my head of kind of like where it's going to lay. And then what I do, the first step I do is I take some Got to Be Glued styling paste. And this is the actual paste, which is more of a thicker white consistency. And this is also the styling gel, and that is truly a gel. Both work very well, though I feel I like the gel better because it's clear and it doesn't leave like a white cast. I don't know if you can see that in the lens there, but so what I do is I just take a little bit here. That's a little bit too far back, but I just put a little bit of this like around where the lace is going to sit. And I bring it all the way down to the edges here. I even kind of get it into my hair. Again, this is styling paste, you know, so this is meant to be in your hair. It's not a huge deal. Then for some added security, I also spray it with the Got to Be Glued Freeze Styling Spray. And then I will just kind of spray it here around the edges. You got to really watch this because these, now it's not working. Kind of spray it around like where I just laid that glue. So you can kind of sit there for a little bit and let it kind of get tacky and things. To speed up the process, I just shoot it with a little bit of air from my blow dryer. So after that is on and a little bit tacky, now I pull the wig piece down. And for those longer pieces, I kind of clip those back on the sides here just to kind of keep them out of the way. And so then what I do is I bring this down to where I want it, stretching the cap out. And I just kind of give it a good pressing here. On this piece, there is a comb in the back. So what I will do is I will secure that in the back as well. Make sure that is all in place. And then I will take another wig grip here. And I will just put this around the perimeter here of where the lace sits. And just secure it over the wig piece here. This is laying that lace in the front and on the sides here really good. And then what I'll do is I'll just, you know, continue to do my makeup or whatever. And then I will come back and take this off. And by then the sides are pretty much done. Everything has dried. I'll also take my hair dryer again and just kind of shoot this. Make sure everything is dried there. And then I will take down the sides. And then I'll kind of like comb them out a little bit because there could be some hairspray, you know, kind of stuck in there. I'll kind of fluff things out a bit. And there you have it. It is all secure, and this thing will not move all day. What I may do too is, depending on how the makeup looks and things, I might like put some bronzing powder or some other powder up around the hairline there. I really don't have... Oh. And there would be like a smaller brush that I would use. Actually, I just found this. This is Champagne by Benefit. Hello Flawless. I forgot I had this. This is a great powder. Dang it. I wish I had used this all summer. Oh well. So there you have it. And so in a previous video, I had mentioned that I actually kind of like doing it this way as opposed to like not securing it. Because what will happen is, see these like little hairs and things? They just kind of do their own thing. They kind of lay down with everything else at the hairline. And to me, it just makes it look a lot more natural. But yeah, I love it. And like I said, this is not going anywhere. Let me turn around and I'll show you what this looks like from the back here. What it looks like in the side. The back. Yeah, I just love this piece. All of my longer pieces I wear up so much anyway that, you know, at the end of the day, I don't even know why I have long pieces, but they make great updos. And you know, I've always been a short-haired gal, you know, mid-length maybe, and those are great as well. But, you know, even when I have hair that long, I'm always looking to put it up. And I don't know why. Like, I just don't know why I do that. You know, I've had pixie haircuts as well with my own bio hair, and I liked them, but for me, it was just a little too short. So I don't know. I don't know if I like the face framing pieces, or I don't know what it is. But anyway, I wear my hair up all the time. Even when I had bio hair, I would wear it up. So hopefully this information was helpful for you. This is totally a quick way to secure your wig pieces. I think these products are great. You know, they're normal hairstyling products that you would use on your own bio hair. And I was so surprised to find out how well these things worked. You know, I was like, oh my God, I got to try this to see if it really is all it says it is. And it truly is. Like, I love them. I love those products. The only thing with this, like, spray bottle is that it does get kind of gunked up, and you really need to like either run this under hot water and unclog it or something. But this stuff is the bomb. So hopefully this information was helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.